Okay, here's a video of a pretty rare boat. It's well, everybody says ITO, but I think it's TMY made these. It could also be KMK, but I think it's TMY. This little 17-inch outboard. I haven't seen any more of these. This is the only one I've seen, and another customer, a good customer, sent me this boat along with a couple other ones, and I restored it, repainted it, and all that. You'll see it all online. Pretty much the only original fittings are the two step pads. That's it. Well, the two cleats. That's it. The windshield, the bullet light, the little cleat are mine. Well, the steering wheel is original, but I had to make the hatch. It was totally missing, so I added the ball stanchions, which I make in my air scoops. The steering wheel setup is that's just a large one, and it's original to the boat. I just cleaned it up. Windshield's mine. It was complete as far as wiring and everything goes, and it actually did work. So, I mean, the way it's set up, 3 D-sized batteries. To put the D-sized battery up under the bow, you pop the seat out. It was originally screwed in, but I left the screw out because you got to take the seat out to put the battery in, because it won't fit otherwise. Of course, I cleaned up all the contacts, like I always do. They're all original. Put the wiring back. Now, if you can see on this outboard, it had these 2 leads like this. I'm talking about the black wire now, and they had it curved and tied so you could screw it onto the front of one of those electric outboards that they made. And of course, this one, of course, I just taped a clip on it, but they're on it for both sides. And that's the way it was, and that's the way it was wired up. Now I'll start it up. This motor is at Zoom, and I've repainted it red and gold to match another boat, but I keep it because, it sounds like an old 49 gasoline powered airplane engine we used to play with as kids. I'll fire it up here. It's loud, so just be ready. As you can see, it is loud, but that's the way it was. So anyway, put everything back. It's pretty clever how they do it, but it just sounds like a 49 airplane engine. It's really clever. The motor does not go with the boat, of course, because they've gotten expensive. So I'm keeping it, like I always, for things like this. It's a semi-hydroplane, and it has a step on the bottom, as you can see. I hope you can see. See? And of course, I make the stand. Didn't have a stand. Anyway, I repainted it the same original colors. I did not put a water line because it didn't have a water line. But anyway, there she blows. I'm going to make, I made copies of all the pieces so I can make copies of this, because I've already had a couple of people want to get some, wanted to get one, so I'm going to make some copies and put them on eBay here eventually, probably by fall, late fall. Anyway, there she blows. Thanks for all your kind comments. Leave comments on my videos. And thanks for all your kind comments on my boats. I'm putting this all on there for information so people have it, so they can see these boats the way they're supposed to be, as far as I know, and then they can restore what they got, or help out with information on people who need it. Anyway, thanks again. Have a nice day.